Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, the whole saga started with this video clip. So watch this clip first.
Aventador 50th anniversary limited edition number 4/100. This is the $1 million car.
Okay, so there you saw Dino Melaye in his newly acquired toy. As guys, I bring you this. Dino Melaye acquires $1 million Lamborghini Aventador Roadster convertible. So that's the car you saw Dino Melaye in, playing with and showing off. Again, the headline: Dino Melaye acquires $1 million Lamborghini Aventador Roadster convertible. So now let's now see Dino enjoy his new toy. Senator Dino Melaye has added a Lamborghini Aventador Roadster convertible to his fleet of luxury cars. The convertible Lamborghini is said to be worth $1 million. It is the 50th anniversary model, and this particular one is 4 of 100 made. So limited edition vehicle, which explains why it's costing him that much. Lamborghinis usually go from 150 thereabouts to about $200,000, but his in particular cost $1 million. So the reason, of course, is explained with that caption. So the story doesn't end there though, because there's now a secondary headline off the back of that acquisition by Dino Melaye. So let's get into that. Nigerians call on EFCC to arrest Dino Melaye after he launched new Lamborghini worth 460 million naira. So now, of course, the reaction, because of course you have to remember that Dino Melaye has had no job in his entire life other than being a politician. He left university, wherever I went to, I think Maiduguri or wherever, or Ahmedu Bello. He left there upon graduation to take up a seat in the House of Representatives, where he served for about 8 years before he then got into like a senatorial seat, where he has been up till last year. So this guy has been a senator all of his life. He has been not a senator all of his life, but certainly a politician all of his adult working life. And being a politician, lucrative as that is a salaried income. So for him to now be showing this opulence and this large living, just last week or thereabout, we saw Dele Mahmood in his house doing Welcome to My Crib. And there was Dino showing like $1 million wristwatches and fleets of vehicles to now acquire now this new Lamborghini for $1 million. So again, the headline: Nigerians call on EFCC to arrest Senator Dino Melaye after he launched new Lamborghini worth 460 million naira. So now let's now see what's being requested here. One of the popular Nigerian politicians is Dino Melaye. The senator has got tongues wagging after he launched his newly purchased Lamborghini worth 460 million naira. Popular Instagram blogger Tunde Ednot shared a video of the newly purchased Lamborghini of the senator on his page. In the video, the senator was spotted testing the car. Many social media users have, however, reacted to the new video of the senator. Some social media users have suggested that he bought a new car with the taxes of the citizens. Others have tagged politicians as corrupt and are calling on the EFCC to probe the case. So here is just a screen grab of some of the comments that this show-off thing that Dino is doing has elicited. Use this money to bring out of poverty in Kogi, selfish Niger politicians. So that's one commentator. Abigail says, corrupt politicians. Where is he getting the money from, if not from the money that belongs to everyone, which they are supposed to use to develop the country? So you can't disagree with that. Uche Benson says this, limited edition supercar. Now, wow, there is something that these guys are doing in the secret that's giving them so much money. Not just 13.5 million naira he received monthly when he was a senator. The more you look, the less you see. So the more you look, the less you see. Of course, it's the story of the entirety of the Nigerian space. But these people, what really now jars and surprises me now is that they don't even make an effort to disguise it anymore. They just brazenly show off these ill-gotten gains, because one of the commentators was of course right in the reference that the Nigerian politician, as well rewarded as they are, 13 million naira per month, that certainly does not afford you a 460 million naira toy car. So this is now the thing. Dodgy deals, dollar deals, all sorts of oil deals, etc. All those deals now are what are playing out now on the streets of Nigeria, to the point that this guy has just forked out $1 million to buy a limited edition supercar. Conversations in the comment section, the more you look, the less you see. That is what one of the commentators say, and I don't think I can expand or embellish more than that. The more you look in the Nigerian experience, especially, the less you do see. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then come join me in the comment section. The more you look, the less you see. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.
غدا ولا غدا
Aventador 50th anniversary limited edition number 4/100. This is the $1 million car.